Hey guys, I'm famished. I haven't had food in like 8 hours. God, imagine not having food for that long. I didn't even have breakfast today. It's like the afternoon, or not the afternoon, it's like past the afternoon. It's the evening. God, I can't even think straight. I'm so hungry. Oh, oh, God. Well, let's see what my food choices are. Marshmallows. They're a bit soft and creamy. I don't want to get my hands sticky. Chips. Nah, but chips also, they get that stuff on your fingers and I don't know. They're also too salty for now. Pancakes! Perfect! Oh. Pancake bro, eat the pancake bro, eat the pancake bro, eat the pancake, yeah! Eat the pancake bro, eat the pancake bro, eat the pancake bro, eat the pancake, yeah! Eat the pancake bro, eat the pancake bro, eat the pancake bro, eat the pancake, yeah!